Hello everyone, this video is going to be all about how to create a galaxy using colored pencils. Let's start off with the materials that you'll need. You will need a surface to draw on, some colored pencils, white acrylic ink or white acrylic paint, and a toothbrush. Start off by roughing in some blobs of color with your colored pencils. You want to create natural cloud-like shapes of color. Make sure not to press too firmly with your pencils yet so that the colors will blend easier later. You also want to make sure that you have a mix of lighter and darker colors. Gradually work at surrounding the lighter color areas with your darker colors to add depth. Continue to fill up your page with your different clouds of color. Once you have your page roughly filled out with color, go back and gradually build up the opacity and darkness of the different areas. You definitely want there to be light and dark areas, but keep in mind that the stars will show up better on the dark areas. Once you are finished filling up your page with the colored part of the galaxy, put some of your white acrylic ink or paint onto your toothbrush and flick the white onto your page. Keep flicking the brush to add stars until you're happy with the result. And there you have your finished galaxy.